Thanks for clicking on this video, and I am Chef André Davy. Welcome if it is your first time here, and welcome back to my tremendous supporters. So guys, right here I have a green plantain in which I'm going to use to make a lovely plantain porridge. So if this is the kind of video you want to watch, please stick around and watch how I make my plantain porridge. Okay guys, so firstly, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and remove the skin from the plantain. Okay guys. When peeling this kind of food, guys, you want to make sure that you wear gloves, okay? If you want to keep your nails nice and pretty. But if you don't have any gloves, you can go ahead and peel it also, but it will take a longer time for you to clean up after. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it in smaller pieces, okay? And it all depends on the size of your blender. I'm using a small blender, so I want to make sure that I cut them very small. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and give this a quick little rinse, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and put this in a blender. Just going to go ahead and add some oats, okay guys? And then to that, I'm going to put some water to blend. You want to make sure that your oats and your plantain is nicely blended, okay? So yes guys, in a pot of boiling water, you want to go ahead and add some salt, some vanilla extract, cinnamon stick, and some nutmeg powder, okay guys? I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a mix. Okay guys, and then to that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my blended plantain and oats. And it's very important while putting in the plantain and oats that you keep stirring up. And you want to keep stirring until you see soft bubbles. So yes guys, as you can see, it's already getting thick, okay guys? So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go in with some coconut milk. And I'm going to turn down the heat underneath the porridge, and I'm going to leave it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So yes guys, as you can see, my porridge is nice and thick. And then sweeten with some condensed milk, okay? Our plantain porridge is ready. guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of my porridge in this bowl, okay? And then to that, I'll be adding in some chia seed, okay guys? And some flaxseed powder. And this is the way I like my plantain porridge, okay guys? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in another one pretty soon. Goodbye.